a very intimate event for us to showcase yung ating mga little bride and little grooms. So aside from that, we're also having other brands to join our event today. So we'll be showcasing also their brands. Pero mainly, ang ating event for today is showcasing yung ating little bride and little groom. And yung pasabog natin later is ibibigay natin yung mga contestants and ambassadors natin na lalaban for Thailand for the Miss and Mr. Tourism Junior 2025.
So, mamaya i-announce.
Yes.
Are they going to be picked from the actual bunch of kids that's going to join today, or is there already a representative?
Actually, they're from the TRA kids that we have. So, ito parang we had the casting open for everybody, but most of the contestants that we got, the ambassadors, are mostly in-house TRA models and yung mga nag-workshop sa atin.
But do you already have like the specific person that's going to represent?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
So later on, we'll be presenting them to you. Rarampa din sila.
Can you tell us also about the theme of today? Because of course you probably came up with the name as well. Where did that come from?
For that one, well, basically it's just we would like to, kasi June naman is really about wedding, di ba? So, pero ito kasi gusto namin na maging part ang mga kids natin to showcase yung fashion and style ng wedding. Pero gusto namin medyo cutesy yung dating. So, we had reverie to have that one for this June event.
Okay, and who are the participating designers that we contacted?
We have a list. To name a few, of course, syempre nandiyan yung ating main lagi, Kidli Manila is joining. Kasi meron din tayong back to school for that one. If I'm not mistaken, we also have I don't have the exact names on top of my head, pero yeah, I can provide you a list later.
Alright.
Lahat po ba ng part ng fashion show galing sa ano po?
Ano po?
Saan po galing lahat ng mga magpa-perform and mga...
Yung performers natin, we've invited some of, merong mga outsiders, merong mga regular performers na din before for TRA events. Ang models natin, of course, mostly are in-house. Yung mga nag-workshop, nag-training sa atin sa TRA. But of course, we also invited some other, we opened it to some of our friends din na meron ding mga talents for that one. So, yeah, it's clearly a TRA event pero open siya for yung mga friends natin sa modeling.
Okay, I'm really, really excited about that Thailand thing. Can you tell us more about what's the nature of that?
Well, it's an international event. So, different countries are joining also for this one. Meron tayong ilan na mga kids na ipapadala for that one to represent Philippines. So, basically, they're looking for Miss and Mr. Tourism Junior Edition.
Junior.
So, actually, this happens every year. So, for 2025 yun, we're lucky na naging part tayo nitong event.
Any specific age yung required na to join? Or?
Meron bang specific? Yes, merong specific. Parang 6 years old yung pinaka-ano lang. Pero, bawat category kasi is merong specific na category. Like, for example, if you're 6 to 10, dito ka pasok sa ano na to.
Okay.
Tapos,
so,
pagka 10 to onwards, may mga ganun siya na categories.
Age group din. Did we do well in past participations?
Actually, we did not grab the main titles, pero we had special awards mentioned for the ano. So, ngayon, mas nilakasan namin yung loob namin for this one. So, hopefully, we'll be able to take home the crown for
Do you have a specific number na po of candidates na ipapadala po, if ever?
Wala akong listahan eh. Pero less than 10.
Less than 10.
Ano po mga susunod na activities or events ng TRA na aabangan?
Good question. Meron sa listahan pero wala pa po ako. Usually kasi what I handle is yung mga month natin. So far for June, this is the last that we have for June. So tapos ang alam ko pa lang is yung sa ano natin sa July Itong first week kasi yun, July 1 to 5 yun, yung sa Thailand. So medyo nakafocus kami doon. So sorry, wala akong list pa. We'll send you the list if you want.
But do you have plans aside from that? Meron na ba tayong parang hinahanda? Of course, per season din ng fashion shows, meron na ba tayong holiday? Are we planning for that already? Like as early as now?
Ang pinaka kasama ko sa planning for now is yung big event natin sa December. So, you know, like last year, but hopefully this will be mas grand compared to what we had for the 2024. So, there. For TRA, yun na yung pinaka-big natin na event for this year, December.
For clarification na, yung TRA nag-handle ng talent.
Yes.
Okay. Aware ka ba kagabi may talent ata kayo na nag-trending sa Idol Philippines? Yung batang kumakanta ng pastor na nagpapasal. Ano siya, Bible reader yung bata. One time sa Intramuros, sumali siya kagabi sa The Voice. Talent ka ba
Talaga?
siya?
Hindi ko do you have the name?
Yung kay Regine Velasquez na aware ka.
Hindi ako